Hi, Anirudh here, and today we're going to talk about the employee satisfaction survey agent. Think of this as a pre-built agent that's available on Lyzr Agent Studio. You potentially can access this using a JSON or even copy the API or use the API key from here and start accessing the specific templatized agent that's available on Lyzr Agent Studio. But what I want to give you as an example is imagine you could automate sending out surveys, analyzing them, and even maybe potentially creating those surveys so that you can spend more time actually connecting with people in your organization. So the way the employee satisfaction survey works is imagine you have a survey distribution agent. Imagine survey has been created. You could also technically have a survey creation agent where it looks at here's all the input that you provided from your organization, or here are some of the surveys we've run in the past, and can you create similar surveys? So let's say you've created the survey gets distributed across Slack, Gmail, and different HR platforms. Now, if the employee for some reason is not answering, it can automate and keep reminding them. Then you have a response that is submitted. Once the response is submitted, the agent, so remember all the agents actually marked in this slightly clayish red color, right? So the survey analysis agent will look at all the responses, and then after that, maybe categorically break them down into culture, break them down into happiness levels, break them down into, let's say, learning paths. And then once you have this analysis agent that goes into the insights, that insights actually looks at historical data and then is able to do some form of trend analysis and bring a long-term sentiment tracking into it. But it can also create structured reports and then pass it on to the HR team that is, let's say, connected to tools, which are essentially, it could be your KK, your Bamboos, and Workdays. That's essentially automation of employee satisfaction survey. You can use this for automating, I guess, the feedback creation of the surveys or the questions and automate that entire process as part of your HR work.
Build safe and responsible agents. Introducing Lyzr.